Hey everyone, the download link will be in the comments below, so make sure to check it out. Today I'm going to walk you through a complete step-by-step tutorial on how you can get Refinitiv Eikon completely for free. First, you need to head over to the exact website shown right here on your screen. Once you are on the main page, carefully look for the download link and click on it. It will immediately open up the download window, allowing you to save the archive file safely to your computer. When the download is completely finished, simply run the installer setup to begin the entire process. Next, you will need to read through and accept the license agreement in order to move forward with the setup. After doing that, select your desired applications, choose your preferred installation path, and click through the next few options without changing much. The system check will then automatically run in the background to thoroughly verify your operating system version, hard disk space, and registry permissions to make sure your computer is fully compatible. Once all requirements are successfully checked and verified, click on the Install button and wait patiently for the progress bar to finish entirely. When the installation is completely done, simply exit out of the installer window. Now go ahead and open up your newly installed Workspace application from your desktop, and there you have it. You now have complete access to real-time global market data, advanced financial charts, in-depth analysis, and live news monitors directly on your computer, completely free of charge. Thank you very much.